This is Dorothy with Scrapbooking, and I got my paper pumpkin kit. So this is, here's the paper pumpkin, and this is March 2025 Daisy Daydream. So, isn't that pretty? And we have 2 stamp sets with this. It says happy birthday with a little honeycomb and a flower and a little hello. And this one is enjoy your special day. Thank you for always being there for me. And sweetest birthday wishes with a little bee and a little honeycomb again. Very cute. Very springy. And a Lost Lagoon is our Stampin' Spot, which that goes with the everyday you and me scrapbooking layouts that I've done a couple of them so far. Just gonna get this off. Well, it's gonna be stubborn, so surprise, surprise. There we go. Stampin' Spot. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Piece of cardboard box. Such a pretty little box. Okay, so let's see. I'm just gonna run my scissor. Everything is so packed so nicely, so the paper isn't gonna get marred in shipping, and everything just comes in perfect order. Okay, so we have adhesives here. We've had the dimensional adhesives and the flat adhesives. Oh, and pretty envelopes. So pretty. Oh, gorgeous envelopes. And then here are our cards. So we've got, oh, nice. We have these 3 cards. And this was in between there. So I'm thinking that goes with these, which they're nice vellum tag things. And this just has a super faint design. I mean, you can probably barely see it. I can barely see it. And then we've got, oh, and look, this is shiny. It's got the, what is it, UV coating that makes it shiny. So that goes with these 3 cards, I'm assuming. And here's some of the die cuts, and these have the UV coated little honeycombs. I'm putting these around like I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'll just go ahead and pop those out. There are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of these. Throw that out. Okay, and then we've got these 3 circles. And I will assume that those are going to go over here because there is a circle that came with this kit that is, I'm going to set those over here because I don't know if those are just, they're probably just waste. So, and these just kind of look like they would go inside that circle. We'll find out. And we have a whole lot of daisies here. And here are our tags for the sentiment. Let me set this piece aside. We have our little black and whites to tell us which stamp is which. So this one goes with this one. And this goes with that. So here's Get Started. And we have, looks like this one is the first kit. So we're going to put let me see, 2, 4, 6, 2 for each card there. And we've got our daisies here. These are really beautiful. And this looks like it gets these. See, son, one's going to go on top, and then one will go on the bottom. Like that. And this is going to get these little tags for the sentiment. And I am going to put the extras up top here in case I mess one up. Then you always have an extra. That's what's really, really cool about this. For those of us who are pretty consistent about making mistakes, we appreciate it. Okay, and I'm going to get rid of that piece. So, and then this card gets the circles, like I thought, with this. And we've got 3, how many? Let me see. So we're going to stamp a honeycomb on there, and then there's going to be a daisy. Such beautiful detail in these die cuts. So delicate, so I don't want to do anything to hurt them. So it gets that, and then also bees. And it gets, this one gets these tags. So I'm going to put that up here. So we're going to get bees and six of those for all 3 cards, and the tag, where's my tags? This tag is going with this one. And I think I'm going to put these up here. So let me see if I can match. So these go here, and we're probably going to double layer them. That one is going to be on there. So there'll be the flat layer that was printed on the card, and then these will rise above the printed area. So I am just matching, whoops, wrong way, this way, like that. And that is going to go like this. Pretty easy to match up. That one's going there. Okay, so this was 3 layers that we can punch out very easily at one time. Okay, so I missed putting a B. Let me see if there's a B. Yeah, he's over here. Okay, so I'm going to set this one aside up here up top. Okay, now they'll tell you what you're going to use. You're going to use the Lost Lagoon ink to put your enjoy your special day, and also to do some stamping of the little honeycomb. So that's this one. And enjoy, let's see, enjoy your special day is here. Now you can put whatever you want depending on what your needs are. See, and they have you stamping on this background. And then we're going to add the floral. So, I'm trying to see. Okay, so the flat is going to go on the B. Now I am just going to go ahead and put the little glue dots on the back of the B, on his little bee bud, if you will. I don't know whether there's 2 here. Oh dear, Daisy is crying. Let me see what's going on. Be right back. Well, here are the cards that I made and their envelopes and the 2 stamps that came with this Daisy Daydream kit. Paper pumpkin. Did I press the record button? No. That would be the answer. So let me just show you a close-up of each of the cards. So there are 2 layers of daisies here. You can kind of see the depth there. So you are overlaying a daisy on top of the same shape daisy underneath. And then you add the little honeycombs and the little bee and make a little sentiment on the tabs and put them in nestled amongst the daisies. I absolutely love these envelopes that come with these cards. Here is the next one. So you have 2 layers of daisies going across, and nestled underneath is the sentiment with the little bee and the honeycomb at each end. Well, a bee down here and a honeycomb at each end. And then this gorgeous, I think this is probably Lost Lagoon, which is the ink color. And then here you have a dimensional card that has the circle down set inside here. And then a little daisy flower with the bee and the sentiment and the UV coated honeycomb on top. Now, see, with this stamp set, you get this honeycomb. So you could make your own honeycomb pattern just like they show here without the UV. But and the cute envelope that goes with this. And this has the little backing with the vellum that adds just a little bit of something to that the sentiment there. So I wanted to show you what the cards look like, and of course I made all 9 of them. So there's 3 there and 3 here. I used different sentiments: sweetest birthday wishes and thank you for always being there for me. And this is enjoy your special day, sweetest birthday wishes, and another enjoy your special day. So I will tell you that they were very easy to make. And the instructions see to that by just using no words, and it's only pictures to show you this is, you put this stamp on the block and then you ink it up, and this is where you stamp it. And this is where you put the flat adhesives, and this is where you put the dimensional adhesive. So everything is shown by picture without any words of just exactly what to do. These card kits just don't get much easier, and it shows you all of the pieces that go with each of the cards and what you need for each of the cards. And if you want a ruler, you also get a ruler across the side, which is just like amazing. And then if you want, whoops, making a mess here, some additional pieces to make more cards using the stamps, it shows you where you can get them for video help and where you can purchase these other pieces. So I am so sorry that I managed to not click my record button. Sometimes I really get upset with myself. But here are the cards, and they're gorgeous, just like so many of the kits from Paper Pumpkin. They're really beautiful cards, something you're proud to send. So thank you so much for watching, and I swear I'll try to hit the record button from now on. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, this is Dorothy with Scrapbooking. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe and learn along with me. Thank you. Bye-bye.